Welcome to Nichols Better Together, a program for healthy teams and facilities. In this edition, we will discuss the difference between cleaning, sanitizing, and disinfecting. The Nichols Better Together program is a continuously evolving program with posters and videos for infection prevention, social distancing, disinfecting frequently touched objects, hand washing, and more. For a confidently clean environment, it is important to understand the difference between cleaning, sanitizing, and disinfecting. Many people use these terms interchangeably. They are all very different. The easiest way to remember the difference is cleaning equals removing soil, sanitizing equals reducing microorganisms, disinfecting equals killing microorganisms. The definition of cleaning is the removal of visible soil, debris, microorganisms, and organic substances from surfaces. Will not eliminate germs, but reduce their numbers by removing some contaminated matter. Cleaning is the removal of substances from surfaces that are visible, like food, dust, grease, dirt, liquids, and more. Germs are not killed, but they are denied their food source. It's important to ensure that the product being used is appropriate for the type of surface being cleaned and soils removed. By using the principles of water, action, time, and chemicals, combined with the proper cleaning tools and procedures, you can effectively clean anything in your facility. Remember, the more you clean surfaces, the easier they are to clean. Later in the presentation, you'll see that it is important to make sure surfaces are clean before they're sanitized and before they're disinfected. The definition of sanitizing is the reduction of bacteria to safe levels set by public health standards to decrease the risk of infection. It may not kill all the viruses. Sanitizing is the process of reducing the number of microorganisms that the sanitizer has been tested against on a clean surface to a safe level. Most sanitizers claim a kill rate of microorganisms of 99.99%. Surfaces must be thoroughly cleaned prior to being sanitized. After the sanitizer solution has been applied, surfaces are required to remain wet for the amount of time specified on product labels. This is commonly referred to as the contact or dwell time. Food contact surfaces do not require a potable rinse after being sanitized. Surfaces must be allowed to air dry. Towel drying is prohibited. All sanitizers must be registered with the Environmental Protection Agency, also known as the EPA. The definition of disinfecting is the elimination of pathogens and disease-causing microorganisms, except bacterial spores. Disinfecting is the process of reducing the number of microorganisms that the disinfectant has been tested against on a clean surface to a safe level, killing 100% of microorganisms. Surfaces must be thoroughly cleaned prior to being disinfected. After the disinfectant solution has been applied, surfaces are required to remain wet for the amount of time specified on the product label. Again, this is the contact or dwell time. After a specified contact or dwell time has been met, you may wipe away any excess liquid, or you can allow it to air dry. Food contact surfaces require a potable water rinse after being disinfected. All disinfectants are registered with the EPA. Thank you for watching this episode of Better Together. At Nichols, we want to make sure you and your teams stay safe and healthy. For more information on our Better Together program, visit our website at enichols.com/bettertogether. Remember, at Nichols, we're always here to help.